Welcome to my channel, and today, we will be discussing the health benefits of ginger. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and share your favorite ginger recipes in the comments below. Have you experienced the benefits of ginger in your health journey? We want to hear your story. Ginger, that spicy root often found in your kitchen or tea, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking. Its health benefits are backed by both anecdotal evidence and modern science, making it a versatile and powerful addition to a healthy lifestyle. Below, I'll break down the key health benefits of ginger, thinking through it like a human might, considering both the science and the practical, everyday ways people experience these benefits. Aids digestion and reduces nausea. Ginger is probably best known for settling an upset stomach. I've personally sipped ginger tea after overeating at a family dinner, and it's like a warm hug for your gut. Scientifically, ginger contains compounds like gingerol and shogal that stimulate saliva production and bile, speeding up digestion. It's especially effective for nausea relief. Studies show ginger reduces nausea from motion sickness, pregnancy, morning sickness, or chemotherapy. For example, a 2014 meta-analysis found that 1 to 1.5 grams of ginger significantly reduced pregnancy-related nausea without side effects. Bloating and gas. Ginger helps move food through the digestive tract, reducing that heavy, bloated feeling. It's why ginger ale, the real stuff, not just sugary soda, is a go-to for some folks. Practical tip: keep ginger chews or a small thermos of ginger tea handy for travel or post-meal comfort. Reduces inflammation. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties come from its bioactive compounds, particularly gingerols. Inflammation is the body's response to stress or injury, but chronic inflammation is linked to conditions like arthritis or heart disease. Ginger inhibits pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are like the body's alarm signals gone haywire. Joint pain relief. A 2010 study showed that daily ginger supplementation reduces muscle pain after exercise by 25%. For people with osteoarthritis, ginger can modestly reduce joint pain and stiffness, though it's not a cure-all. General inflammation. By calming inflammation, ginger may lower the risk of chronic diseases over time, though more long-term studies are needed. Human thought. I've noticed that adding fresh ginger to smoothies or stir-fries makes me feel less creaky after a long day. Could be a placebo, but it feels real. Boosts immunity. Ginger's antimicrobial and antioxidant properties make it a solid ally for your immune system. It's packed with compounds that fight oxidative stress, which damages cells and weakens immunity. Cold and flu support. Ginger's warming effect, it literally feels like it heats you up, can help with congestion, and its antimicrobial properties may ward off infections. A 2013 study found ginger extract inhibited bacterial growth, like Staphylococcus aureus. Antioxidant power. Ginger's antioxidants, like zingerone, neutralize free radicals, which can otherwise stress your immune system. Practical tip: a hot cup of ginger lemon honey tea at the first sign of a cold is a classic remedy. It's soothing and might just give your immune system a nudge. Supports heart health. Ginger may help keep your ticker in check by improving circulation and reducing risk factors for heart disease. It's not a magic bullet, but the evidence is promising. Cholesterol management ***. A 2018 study found that 5 grams of ginger daily lowered LDL, bad, cholesterol by about 17% while raising HDL, good, cholesterol. Blood pressure and clotting. Ginger can thin blood naturally, reducing the risk of clots, and may improve blood flow, which supports cardiovascular health. Human thought ***. Heart disease runs in my family, so I'm all about small, sustainable changes like adding ginger to my diet. It's not like I'm replacing statins, but every bit helps. May help with blood sugar control. For those managing diabetes or prediabetes, ginger might offer a helping hand. Research suggests it can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. A 2015 study showed that 2 grams of ginger powder daily reduced fasting blood sugar by 12% in people with type 2 diabetes. It also lowered HbA1c, a marker of long-term blood sugar control, by 10% over 12 weeks. Practical tip: sprinkle powdered ginger into oatmeal or blend it into a smoothie if you're watching your blood sugar. It's a small tweak with potential benefits. Relieves menstrual pain. For women dealing with period cramps, ginger might be a natural pain reliever. It works by inhibiting prostaglandins, which trigger uterine contractions and pain. A 2009 study found that 1 gram of ginger daily during the first 3 days of menstruation was as effective as ibuprofen in reducing pain for many women. Human thought: I've heard friends swear by ginger tea during their period, and the science backs it up. It's cheaper than painkillers and tastes better too. May support weight management. Ginger isn't a weight loss miracle, but it can play a supporting role. It increases thermogenesis, your body's calorie burning process, and may reduce appetite. A 2017 study suggested that ginger supplementation slightly increased fat metabolism and reduced feelings of hunger in overweight men. Practical tip: add fresh ginger to soups or teas to feel fuller longer without overloading on calories. Potential anti-cancer properties. This one's still in the early stages, but some studies suggest ginger's compounds may inhibit cancer cell growth, particularly in colorectal and ovarian cancers. A 2015 study showed ginger extract slowed the growth of colorectal cancer cells in lab settings. More human studies are needed, but the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects likely contribute. I wouldn't rely on ginger alone for cancer prevention, but it's reassuring to know it might have protective effects as part of a balanced diet. How to use ginger. Fresh, grate into stir-fries, smoothies, or tea. Steep sliced ginger in hot water. Powdered, add to baked goods, oatmeal, or capsules for convenience. Pickled, grate with sushi or as a palate cleanser. Juice, blend with fruits or veggies for a zesty kick. Tea, boil fresh ginger with lemon and honey for a soothing drink. Precautions. Moderation: too much ginger, over 4 grams daily, can cause heartburn or an upset stomach. Blood thinners: ginger can enhance blood thinning effects, so check with a doctor if you're on medications like warfarin. Gallstones: ginger stimulates bile production, which could worsen gallstone issues. Ginger's benefits: digestion aid, inflammation reducer, immune booster, and more make it a no-brainer to incorporate into daily life. It's not a cure-all, but it's a low-risk, high-reward addition to a healthy routine. Whether you're sipping ginger tea to soothe a cold or grating it into a curry for a flavor and health boost, it's a small change with big potential. Plus, it just tastes good. Who doesn't love that spicy kick? If you want me to dig deeper into any specific benefit, like studies on ginger and cancer, or suggest recipes, let me know.